Every story has at least two sides. So next time when somebody is trying to sell you an idea, a product, or to make you sign a contract, make sure you are presented both aspects, good or bad. Otherwise, well, you gotta do the search yourself.
In my opinion, things are not black or white, they are gray, a mix between them both. For example, food. Everybody knows that is good, but if you eat too much, or if you eat too much unhealthy food, the same thing that gives you life, it can take your life away.
What we are trying to find here is the overall picture, and that is created by analyzing all the data, like a judge, consulting both the accuser and the defender. Then, with your own understanding, try to make a conclusion. Repeating the process will create more and more precise judgments.
The thing is that in this society people miss quite often to tell you all the details because, quite often, they have the interest in convincing you to accept a specific idea or to buy or to sign something which you would never accept if you would know the overall picture.
That's why you hear them talking for hours about the things that they want you to accept, and too little and maybe nothing at all about the opposing aspects.
It's sad, but people are doing it. According to many, they don't lie when they present you just the black or the white in the whole great thing. Some might not know the other side. Others are doing it intentionally. They presume that you are an evolved being with the capacity to think, to judge, so it's your responsibility to do so. It is true, though, that this will help you evolve like Pinocchio, who becomes more aware of half-truths by being tricked. Why do we believe that other people should be fully honest with us? Maybe because during childhood, we were raised by our moms and dads, these wonderful beings who were truthful with us. Or maybe because in this process of spiritual evolution, you start by being innocent, an easy prey for intelligent tactics, which will help you to grow eventually. So tread lightly because
I don't think it's in God's will to create some sort of official channel where He would tell us how to do everything, leaving us with only the choice of following whatever He says. I think He wants us to be adventurers in this mysterious realm, to try to figure it out ourselves. What's the point of it all? This way, the experience is more intense.
I'm not saying that you don't have that connection with Him and that the naked truth is not accessible to you. It's just that He pretends to hide from you, just enough to let you get fully immersed in this experience.